Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to change OnePlus earbuds touch controls. So let's start the video friends. So if you want to change the touch controls like double press to pause the music or any other things, so you can first download the application Hey Melody from the Play Store application. Now click on open. So first you have to connect these uh, device and then click on earbuds control. So here are two, left and right, so you can change both of the earbud settings. So here it is double tap left earbud to answer and end calls, long touch and hold to reject calls. You can change these settings from your application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.